my green forest folks. So very important announcement. I really want to make it क्योंकि मैंने अपने शॉर्ट्स में भी तुम्हें बताया है एंड उसकी वजह से तुम आए हो तो दैट्स गुड. वेरी रियली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. ओके, तो द वन जो सोच रहे हैं कि हम 2025 में शायद नहीं ले पाएंगे कॉलेज और हमें ड्रॉप लेना चाहिए, इंटर्नशिप हमारी या तो खत्म हो गई है या इंटर्नशिप फेज में थे या 11th-12th में है या कुछ भी कोई भी रीजन की वजह से, इफ यू आर परस्यूइंग फॉर अ ड्रॉप, जस्ट लिसन टू मी. And I'm not saying anything that makes your decision worse, but I just want to wanted to know the pros and cons of taking a drop, since I have only 33 minutes to say, so I'll be really fast and really quick. I had took so many drops. I don't know if I can even count it. People say ki why you are listening to a failure, you should listen to a topper, you should listen to someone who has ace in that exam. But I feel like if you listen to a failure, what mistakes he or she has done, that will improve your strength, that will improve that what mistake you don't have to carry forward, what I did, what a failure did. Because I don't think a topper is going to tell you everything tipped off from the scratch, but since I am a failure and I can relate so many people, so I really want to tell you guys कि before you are taking a drop, are you ready to have that 1 year trauma from friends, from family, from relatives, from peers? Are you going to confine yourself in the 4 walls, just completely break out from the social media, from the outside of the world? Are you really ready for that 1 year to begin from a start, from zero? You have to work it. You cannot say I'm not, I have done 500-600 marks and now I have to boost a little bit, but you have to start from the zero. Okay, so are you ready for this? Don't waste your precious time. Please understand, don't waste your precious time. Time is really precious. I'm going to make this video a little longer because in 3 minutes I cannot deliver what I really want to say. So basically I want to say ki when I took so many drops, my from very beginning, from when I was in 9th or 10th, my focus was I want to get into MBBS college, into Lady Hardinge or Maulana Azad or any prestigious colleges. I will not settle with any semi-government college also. I will not settle with anything. But what destiny made, I have done my BDS, not even the MBBS. I have done BDS, and when I got the admission, I was so devastated. For the 1 month, for 1 month, I locked myself. And I was not talking to anyone. I was in a severe depression state. Why I can't clear my exam? What happened to me? Am I that dumb? No, I wasn't dumb, because the way I put taking drops, that make me so I was in so much pressure कि I have to say boss to my friends, my age is going on, and what I'm doing, I will be having not prestigious college and blah. But when I entered into my BDS college, and I was for a few months I was not liking it, but eventually I found out कि I'm very happy, I'm fortunate. I have done BDS and I'm loving my BDS. And then suddenly I got to know that there is a branch known as oral surgery, which is a very prestigious branch. It is equivalent to MS surgeons, equivalent to MBBS MS surgeons. So this is I can do that. Nothing is stopped me. Now I can, like, what I have realized from this mistake, I have wasted my so many years which I shouldn't have wasted. And I realized you think it's just a year, doesn't make any difference, but your body getting older and older day by day. What old age people used to say, na, things should be done at a particular age. You should be well settled in your life at the age of 24, 25. You should get married in your 28, 29. You should have child in your 32, which is really very important because your body clock is arranged like this, and this is really good if you do like this. So I request you guys, if you are taking drop, be prepared. I don't know, this is your last chance. You have to do it. Just do it. Do it. Nothing